we have our VSCode, hint, tip, and trick of the week. And this week is a follow-up from last week's emoji one. We have another emoji one. This is called Emojisense. So this is apparently adding suggestions and autocomplete for your emojis, because not one, but, one is just not enough. So I'll share my screen for those watching. But yeah, Eric loves emojis, right? Eric, are you the one that broke ForgeBox because you keep putting too many emojis in your stuff?
I did break ForgeBox because I tried to put emojis in my release notes or something like that. Yeah, I even have a program called Rocket for macOS that does what Emojisense does, but system wide. So ooh. I do love me emojis.
I like this one, how you can put your mouse over it and it'll even show you an enlarged version of it and stuff. It's kind of cool. I just like it. It's pretty neat. It's got some cool little features again. But yeah, some different options and per language configuration, which interesting. So you can turn them on for Markdown, but off for plain text and stuff like that. So yeah, this one actually probably looks a little bit more complete than the one we had last week. So you guys will have to use them all and let us know which one you like best.
That's just what we're going to do for the rest of this podcast.
Let's play with emojis.
Review emoji extensions. Find the best one for you. We're here for you, community. Wow. We know what you need. That was our VSCode, hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.